Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about home decor, design tips, and innovative furniture solutions, you're in the right place. Here, we dive into everything from stylish tiny furniture to creative DIY projects, all aimed at making your living spaces both functional and beautiful. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Your support helps us grow and bring you even more amazing videos. And be sure to stick around until the end. We've got some exciting surprises in store for you. Let's get started. Tiny wooden and metal furniture. Stylish solutions for home and profit. In today's fast-paced world, where space is often at a premium, tiny wooden and metal furniture offers a stylish and practical solution for modern living. These pieces are designed to maximize functionality while maintaining aesthetic appeal. The blend of wood and metal not only creates a visually striking contrast but also enhances durability, ensuring that these furnishings withstand the test of time. From compact coffee tables to sleek shelving units, the versatility of such furniture allows homeowners to optimize their living spaces without compromising on style. One of the most significant advantages of tiny furniture is its ability to fit into various design styles, from minimalist to industrial. In smaller homes or apartments, each piece must serve a purpose, and tiny furniture excels in this regard. For instance, a small wooden side table can double as a workspace or a decorative display area, while metal accent pieces can add an edgy touch to a cozy room. This adaptability makes tiny furniture an attractive option for a range of consumers, particularly those looking to maximize their investment in home decor. Moreover, the growing trend of sustainable living has led to an increased demand for eco-friendly materials. Furniture made from reclaimed wood and recycled metals not only reduces environmental impact but also adds character and uniqueness to each piece. Buyers are increasingly drawn to the story behind their furniture, making products crafted from sustainable materials appealing. By emphasizing these qualities, manufacturers can attract environmentally conscious consumers while tapping into the lucrative market of sustainable home decor. In terms of profitability, tiny wooden and metal furniture presents a lucrative business opportunity. These items can often be produced more cost-effectively than larger pieces, allowing for higher profit margins. Additionally, the trend towards online shopping has made it easier for small furniture businesses to reach a broader audience. By leveraging social media and e-commerce platforms, sellers can showcase their unique designs and connect with potential customers, driving sales and increasing brand visibility. In conclusion, tiny wooden and metal furniture embodies a perfect blend of style, functionality, and sustainability. As consumers seek out innovative solutions for their living spaces, these compact yet impactful pieces offer both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits. By embracing the trend of small-scale furniture, businesses can not only enhance their product offerings but also tap into a growing market that values both design and sustainability. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found some great inspiration for your home decor. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even better videos for you. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any ideas you'd like to see in future videos. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy decorating!